It's Wednesday morning, tones already rang. Barely had my coffee, now I hear that clang. Kitchen day, Geoff, yeah, I know the drill. Grease on the stove and the smoker looking ill. At Station 2 on North Haven Road, Fireman, Chef, Geoff, and food cleanup mode. Apron on, sponge in hand, while B&C shift goes like a cover band. We run the calls, we lift assist, check mansion alarms on a rich folks list. But when it's time to scrub and shine, a shift's the only one on the grind. Scrub that stove till it sparkle like gold. Web a grill greasy, yeah, I'm taking control. Pitboss Smoker looking rough and mean, but I'ma have that bad boy magazine clean. A shift working, yeah, we do it all day. Cook, clean, run calls, no time to play. By the time I'm done, yeah, you already know I'll be cooking up fire on that shiny stove. Got old Miss Johnson need a lift assist, then a fire alarm in a mansion with a twist. Marble floor, chandelier glow. Meanwhile back home my stove still broke, but I ain't complaining, just talking facts. A shift carrying weight on our backs. They're on driving, crew on point, but I'm fighting grease like it owes me rent. Scrub, scrub, flip that rag. The greaser hit it, watch it sag. Clank, clank, grill grate, shine. Pitboss looking brand new, prime time. Scrub that stove till it sparkle like gold. Web a grill greasy, yeah, I'm taking control. Pitboss Smoker looking rough and mean, but I'ma have that bad boy magazine clean. A shift working, yeah, we do it all day. Cook, clean, run calls, no time to play. By the time I'm done, yeah, you already know I'll be cooking up fire on that shiny stove. So when B&C comes strolling through, acting like they don't know what we do, just point to the stove and let it gleam. That's A shift work, keep it clean.